I'm now on the Saab stand with Martin Healey. Good morning, Martin.
Morning.
And welcome to the Classic Car and Restoration Show 2018.
Thank you, pleased to be here.
Could you tell me a little bit about this car, which is quite a rare car?
It is, it's the third oldest Saab in the world. It's a Saab 92. It's one of the survivors of 20 prototypes.
So, and you say how many's left in the world now?
There's 2 prototypes in the world. There's a third one, which is the very first one, very first Saab created, which is in the Saab Museum in Sweden.
So how did you come across this one then?
It was through a well-known auction house. Saw this advertised and thought, well, got to go and have a go at it.
And you're a bit of a Saab enthusiast then?
Yeah, I love Saabs, yeah. Saab all my 40 odd years now.
So, and you've got more than one, I believe, is that right?
Yeah, I've got 6 at the moment, yeah.
So which was the first one you bought and when did you buy it?
I bought a Saab 96 and that was probably about 1970s, yeah.
So can you give me some kind of what attracts you to them?
It's the way they're made. They're quirky, they're different to other cars, well made, just a great car.
And of course they did very well in rallying for some years, didn't they?
They did, yes, with Eric Carlson, yeah.
You don't fancy doing a bit of that then?
No, not in this one.
So what are you going to do to it now? Are you going to completely restore it, or?
I will in the end. At the moment I prefer to leave it as it is, let people see the history of the vehicle and tell them all about it. Maybe in 2 or 3 years time we'll take it back to its original colour of green and yeah, get it all nice and pretty.
So is it roadworthy at the moment?
It can be driven on the road. For me it's not where it should be to be safe on the road, so I don't use it on the road.
Oh well, good luck with it, Martin, and I hope sometime we see it all completely restorated.
Yeah, we'll be back in a few years with it.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you.